Strawberry butter.
What game are we playing?
We're making up new kinds of butter.
Happy butter.
Apple butter?
Yes.
That's a real kind of butter. What?
Which butter?
Witch butter?
Yes.
Ew. We don't like witches.
Stepmother butter.
Stepmother butter? Because all the stepmothers are mean? They're not all mean, just in those movies.
Only in those movies.
That's right. There's lots of really nice stepmothers. But not Snow White's. Snow White is mean.
How about peanut butter butter?
How about mommy butter?
Mommy butter! That sounds like a great idea.
Graham butter.
Daddy butter.
Or-
How about Rachel butter?
And it's January 21st butter.
How about it's camera butter.
It's what?
Camera butter.
Camera butter. That's right.
Light butter.
The light butter. All right. Bye-bye. Butter.
Mommy butter. Face butter.
Arctic
Eye
Fox.
butter.